Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon too so that you can be notified every single time I upload. It's finally summer now. It's really hot here in New York and I picked up this really fun color at the drugstore. So I paired this lipstick color with this look, and if you guys want to know how I achieved it, please keep on watching. I'm placing this golden ochre and putting it all over my lids. And then picking up this light lavender shade, I'm putting it over where I placed golden ochre. With a smaller brush, I'm picking Love Letter and putting it in my crease and outer corner. Then I'm just blending the colors together with the previous color, which is the lavender one. I wanted the outer corner to deepen up a lot more, so I just picked up Love Letter and just putting it on my outer corner. You can sharpen up the edges with the concealer just like how I'm doing right now. Picking the two colors and placing it on my lower outer corner. And just with the lavender color alone, I'm dragging it all the way from my middle part all the way to the inner corner. There you go, you guys, that's the final look, and if you guys loved it, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below because I love to hear your feedback, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!